can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today I'm in my garden again because I'm going to show you how I harvest my fruits. My grapes are ready for picking, so today is the day, and come with me and I'll show you how I do it and all the other things that you need to know about harvesting my fruits. So I use this net to protect my grapes from the birds that keep on coming every day to eat my fruits. Do you see this? This is a foil that we use for cooking, but they say that the birds are scared of the reflection of this one from the sun. So when this reflects, they won't come. And I also used Mr. Owl. I used Mr. Owl to scare them, but maybe they are not enough. The Mr. Owl and the foil are not enough to scare the birds, to keep them away from my fruits. So I instead put the net around all my grapes so that they would not come and eat them. Because earlier they were able to eat some of my grapes. Like this bunch, you see, it's almost finished by the birds. And here, this one too. This one was eaten, half of the bunch was eaten by the bird. That's why I decided to put the net around, and that worked. Okay, so I'm able to at least protect most of my fruits from these hungry birds. I can see my grapes. Oh well, okay. Let me start by, I'm gonna use this scissors, sharp one, to cut my bunch of grapes. Oh wow, a big bunch. This is the first harvest from my FLAME Seedless Grapes. FLAME Seedless Grape is a nice variety of table grapes that you can eat right away. And these are crispy and sweet and very nutritious. So I'm very happy that for the first time I am able to harvest my grape. This FLAME Seedless that I have two. I have two plants, one here and there's also one there, but this one became the bigger one. And this has been here in my garden for 2 years. This is the third year, and on the third year it gave me fruit. Let's try. Oops, it's not so big. It says medium size. Okay, because there are bigger grapes, there are smaller grapes. Before I used to have a Concord grape here, but it's not for eating, it's for making wine. So I changed it to this one, to FLAME. So Concord is smaller, this is medium size. And oh look, there's ants right away because it's sweet. Let me see. Crispy and sweet. Yummy. And they say even those that are not very much purple or red would also taste good. So let me try this one. It's still a little bit pale, but let me see if it's sweet. The taste is the same as the red ones. So let's go and harvest more fruits. Nice one. Ooh, big one. Yummy.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through.
See? Look at the bunch. Look at this bunch. eaten by the birds. So next year, I am going to make a plan so that the birds would really not be able to attack my fruits, because I'm losing a lot. I'm losing a lot. Almost half was eaten by the birds. Some of them are dried. They say that if it becomes dried in the bunch, it's already raisin, and you can eat the raisin. So I found out that the bees are also giving me trouble in my grapes. They make a hole and sip the sweetness. That's why a lot of my grapes were destroyed and rotten, because these bees are sucking the sweetness of my grapes. Look at this one. Look at this bee. It's attacking and trying to suck the sweetness of my fruit, and then afterwards the fruit will be dried and rotten. There are flies. Look at that. This fly. So sorry guys, I need to know the way how to scare you next year, okay? So you would go away from my grapes. Look at that one. Look. Let me show you what these insects did to my grapes. You see, they made a hole and then suck all the sweetness, all the juices of my my grape. You see, there is one more ant. There's an ant. Do you see it? Where is it now? There's an ant. Let me show you. There's an ant inside. See, there's an ant. And then the bees and the flies, they are all the culprit. That's why a lot of my grapes are rotten, because of them. So next year I need to find a way to scare all these insects so that they would not attack my fruits. I want to have more harvest next year. Thank you to all my viewers and subscribers for always watching my videos. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below. Also, click the like button and the notification bell so you would see all my videos. And you can also comment and share my videos to your friends. Thank you for always being there.